Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I want to make some embellishments and I was going to use the Prima paper pad lavender collection, and this is from Hobby Lobby. I got a long time ago and I just haven't used it yet, so I figured I pulled a sheet out, one from each design. So these are the designs right here, and they're double-sided. So let's see what we can create. So this is the first sheet. I love all the purple, and I love the elements, the roses and the butterflies. So this is the second sheet. This one just has a street map, or no, there's something. Yeah. Anyway. This is another. I like this side, actually. And here we have all the butterflies. And I think what I will do is cut them with this sheet. I'll probably cut all the butterflies out plus cut them because I don't care for this side. These are just roses, and I think I would do the same, but not the whole sheet. I'll probably just do some of it. I could strip out and cut these, plus cut these, this end, and then the rest. Like, look at these little music sheets and ledgers. It'll be nice in a junk journal. And then these I'll just cut them out and use them as my tags. This is the back. Really pretty roses. I can see why they gave us 5 of each design, because you can see there's so many. It's hard to choose which side to use. Alright, so let's get back. to build my stash somewhat, and I used my Prima paper from Hobby Lobby, and this is the lavender collection. I've already shown this before, so I just pulled out one page from each design, and I made a bunch of embellishments just using the paper pad, hot glue, and a few of the punches that I hauled from KSP by Louisa. So what I did, this is the punch, the Fiskars punch that when I received it, it came apart. But as you can see, it works. Everything is perfect. I punched it, punched out a 12-inch strip, and this is a half an inch strip of paper. So just measure from the center out, and that's a half an inch. And that, look at that edge right there. It's like the picket fence. It just gave it a different fun feel. So I made 2 of those from the same width, half inch, and I believe this is 1 1/4. So this is a 1 1/4 inch strip, and I used this punch right here. This is the Martha Stewart border punch, and this is a 12-inch strip, 1 1/4 inch wide. Punched it, and then I made my little rosette, and I love it. It looks like snowflakes. So I'm trying to build my stash here, guys, so that when it comes time to make my creations, I have stuff to pull from. I'm learning, ladies. I'm watching your videos. So this one here, which is very lacy, is another border punch, also from the D-Stash. All these punches are from the D-Stash. So this is another Martha Stewart punch, border punch, and this is what that looks like. I love it. This is my favorite because it looks so lacy, so pretty. And this is a 1 1/2 inch strip width. Okay, so these, well, let me show you this. This was the very first one I made, and I didn't use any border punches or fancy scissors, which I'll show you here in a minute. So that is the plain one, and that is the 2 inch width strip, 12 inches long. These are this is 1 inch, yep, 1 inch, and I used my fancy dancy scissors. Everyone has these, so I used this one, and that's what this looks like. It has just a plain scalloped edge, so pretty, like flower petals. And then this one, I will show you, is the zigzag scissors. So that's what this edge looks like, and I love it. So pretty. This one is a Fiskars scissors, and this one is called the Sunflower. But I had owned these for many years when I first started scrapbooking. So the scissors are mine forever. You can find them everywhere. So that's what this edge looks like, and it's very, very tiny. Let's see. You can barely see the edge, the pinking of the edge. So that's what that one looks like. I love it. So those were the 1 1/2. Yeah, that's the 1 inch. I'm sorry. So this is the 3/4 inch. Yep, 3/4 inch width, but this is only 6 inches long. So I took the strip and I cut them in half. Okay, and this is the zigzag edge. And look at what it looks like. So that's a big difference. Wait, where's that one? Big difference the way they've turned out when we use 12 inches to 6 inches. Very cute. I like that one. I just made that one. And these are just the tiny, teeny tiny ones. These are only half an inch. Half an inch, and they're super tiny. And they're all just the fancy edge scissors again. So love those. These are my ultimate favorite. Second. Oh. So now I have just some cut aparts. I just took my scissors and my paper, my page with the butterflies on them, and so this is what's left of that sheet. I didn't cut all of them out. Yeah, I just don't need that many, but these are all the butterflies I fussy cut. They're very cute. They're kind of dark, but you know, ladies, we can always lighten them up with some paint or some ink or something. I did keep some of the cutouts because look at that. Once you glue that down and you put an embellishment right there, that is a great cutout. So here's one, here's the other, and they're double-sided paper, so you could use either side. And then, like I said, you could put an embellishment to cover up that cut little edge that I cut it out of. So right there, I'll just put an embellishment right there, and you would never know that that was a cutout. Okay, and there's another one. And then there's still some butterflies here that I did not cut out. So I just kept them whole to use as a background or as a journaling spot. It's very cute. So that's what these look like. Okay. Like I said, use them as journaling spots or a mat or whatever. Okay, so these are the top of the page, the border on the top of the 12 by 12. And I just cut them off the top, so full 12 inches, and then I cut them in half. So now we have 6 inches, and these will be extras, like to make flags or whatever, or to make more of the mini rosettes, which I am so in love with. And these papers, Prima papers, are super thick, super sturdy. I can't even tell you how much I love them. So again, I used some of my other punches, and here we have the little scallop circles. I punched a few of those. I punched a few of the tag punches, so that's what that looks like. And I got some of the banners, so that right there, and some of the tickets, which are super cute. I need to punch a whole lot more. And then these are just scraps, so they're little triangle scraps, so you never throw anything away because, like I said, you could use it, background pieces, little flags, or whatever. Well, that's it for my project share today, guys, and thank you for watching, and welcome to all my new subscribers, and I'll see you all on the next video. And please give this video a thumbs up. Let's help my channel grow, get our family growing. Subscribe, comment down below which ones did you like the best, or even if you like the Prima, what collection do you have, and let's get chatting. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.